Kinunot na pating. So, nilagyan natin yung sibuyas, bawang, may luya, ayan, of course, may sili, and what you call this ay malunggay, yung sili, o ayan, kinunot na pating, ayan, with dilaw, ayan, may luyang dilaw, may luyang luya, ayan, tapos ginataan natin siya, guys. Yan ang paraan ng pagluto ng kinunot. O ayan, cooking kinunot na pating. Looks yummy. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching. Sarap. O ayan, luto na ang ating pating. Ayan, kinunot na pating. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, ilagyan din natin siya, guys, ng suka. May suka, sibuyas, bawang. Ayan, ginisa. Ayan, sos ginataan natin. Ang ating pating, may siling buo na maanghang. Ayan, thank you mga langga for watching. Thank you so much.